everyone, this is Aaliya Sadaf. Welcome back. Hope you all are good. You can see this image in the air. Do you know what is this? Comment below. So let me tell you what is this. This is a hologram in which we can see the image in the air. Like this. It looks like this, but when we turn it, it probably looks like this. It's a very interesting. So let me tell you how we will make it. Let's get started. Here we have an empty bottle, scale, pen, white sellotape. I have cut a pyramid, scissor and a mobile phone. So let's get started. First we will take this bottle and just take out this wrapper from here. We will just cut it from here. Now we will cut it from here. We can use a big scissor. From here and cut it from here also. Now this we get it. Now we get this transparent sheet. Now we will make just a pyramid shape in this, as you can see in this figure. Now we will make a pyramid like this. We will make a 6 centimeter line here. And we will just measure it and make a length 3.5 centimeter like this. Then we will make a 1 centimeter line here. Now we will just join the ends. Probably it will look like a pyramid like this. Now we will make 3 more pyramids. Now we will just cut these pyramids like this. Now we will just cut this pyramid. we have cut 4 pyramids like this. Now I will just make it straight. Now I have made 4 pyramids with this glass tips. So here we have 4 shapes like this. Tape. Make it like this. I have made it. Open the video and just we will search hologram videos and we will just take it and just put this pyramid here. You can see the butterfly in the air. For more better result, we will switch off the lights. The ray diagram will be. The image will be here and the rays goes here from the 90 degree and the reflection of the light will be to our eyes here and the virtual image will be formed here. The image will be the center of the pyramid. You can see here is the center and here is the image of that. So like this we can see the image in the air. And when you can see the image is here and the reflected rays goes to our eyes here, but the image will be formed here. Pyramid is like this, so you can see here is the center of the pyramid, so image is formed here only. This is what actually happening. This is a simple funda. Reflected rays come from here and the image formed here. So this is what actually happening. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it.